Hi, I'm Craig.
Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to the battery shop.
Today we're working on this 2020 Kia Soul.
The battery is right under here in the engine bay and it's fairly easy to access.
We always, though, recommend that you check with your manufacturer step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project. You have everything you need. You don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this.
Let's get started.
We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for this. Then remove the negative battery cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side.
Next, loosen the fastener for the positive cable connector, again using your 10mm wrench. And then remove the positive battery cable from the battery's positive terminal and set it off to the side.
The next step is to loosen the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need a 12mm wrench for this. Then remove the fastener and hold-down bracket.
Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield.
And then install the replacement battery and its heat shield.
Next, reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. And tighten the fastener.
Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the battery's positive terminal. It's always a good idea to clean off any corrosion from the terminal or cable connection before doing so. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. Then tighten the fastener.
Finally, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the battery's negative terminal and tighten the fastener. And we're done.